Hi, my name is Brooklyn, and my problem was problem 4, which says, use the substitution and the formula for the sum of an infinite geometric series to find the power series for f of x equals x minus 1 over x plus 2. Okay, so the first thing we do is it said use the formula for the sum of an infinite geometric series, which is going to be 1 over a over 1 minus r. So we have to get this into a form like that. So do x minus 1 times the reciprocal, so 1 over plus x, because we can flip those because they're addition, multiplied by 1/2. We get 1/2 over 1 plus x over 2, and then we get 1/2 over 1 minus negative x over 2 is the same thing, minus negative is plus. So now we have it in the form of a number over 1 minus another number. So we have a equals 1/2 and r equals negative x over 2. Now we can do our ratio test, or now we can write this out as a power series. We can do f of x equals x minus 1 times infinity over 1/2 negative x over 2 and minus 1. And now that we have this, we can do our ratio test. So our ratios test says the absolute value of an plus 1 over an. And if we fill this out, we get 1/2 times negative x over 2 to the n over 1/2 times negative x over 2 and minus 1, which if we solve that, we get the absolute value of negative x over 2. And because we're solving for a power series, this has to be less than 1. So if we solve that, negative x over 2 is less than 1. We can multiply both sides by 2. The absolute value gets rid of that negative. We get x is less than 2. So we can plug in negative x is less than 2 and x is less than 2 to try to find, these are our bounds, so we're going to try to find out if it includes or does not include those two numbers. So x equals negative 2, negative 2 minus 1 1/2 times negative 2 over 2 and minus 1. That's going to equal 1/2. And because this is, that equals 1/2, which means it diverges. And then x over 2 is going to be 2 minus 1 and equals 1. Negative 2 over 2 minus 1, which is going to give us 1/2 minus 1/2 plus 1/2, which is just going to keep going on forever, which means it never approaches 0, which means it also diverges. And so we know our interval is 2, negative 2 with parentheses instead of brackets. And then to find our radius of convergence, we do those two minus each other. 2 minus negative 2, 2 plus 2 over 2 equals 4 over 2, which means 2 is our radius of convergence. So you have our radius of convergence, we have our interval, and then the power series is going to be up here. And that is the problem. Thank you.